Hello, today we are upgrading qTest 9.7 to qTest 9.8. To begin the upgrade, go ahead and check your deployments. We have already installed qTest 9.7 in the qTest 9.7 folder. We will go back out and check the qTest 9.8 folder that I've already downloaded. I have the tar file here, and I will have to extract it. So I will run tar xzf and the qtest file. Now that we have a qtest folder, we will have to copy the qtest.config from the previous install to this one. So we will run cp/opt qtest97 qtestctl qtest.config for the location of the previous qtest.config file, and then we will specify the new location being opt qtest98 qtestctl and then qtest.config again. Let's go ahead and open up the new qtest.config file to confirm it works. The locations are what my previous instance was, so the copy transferred over. We now recommend running through the startup wizard one more time to confirm all the values look good when loading it. So we will run /qtestctl --offline. Enter through all of the fields and make sure they are correct. We will not go through each property here, but we are just validating that it is what it needed to be. For instance, if you see an issue like port is in use, that may indicate qtest is already running. In our instance, qtest 9.7 is running, so we are going to specify different ports for this deployment. I will update the launch URL with the updated port. And then I will do the same for Pulse. Same for Scenario, and that should finish the startup wizard. Once it's completed, we'll go ahead and run the initial startup. qtest will update automatically. There is no action needed after this. When qtest is completed in upgrading, you will see the qtest has been successfully started up message at the end. We now see the qtest has successfully started message. That means qtest has successfully upgraded. Now you can go ahead and log into your qtest and verify the upgrade was successful. But for our purposes, we are going to shut down qtest and install it as a script. We will first go back to the previous qtest deployment in the qtest 9.7 folder and uninstall that service. To do that, go ahead and run the script /uninstall. Run a systemctl status qtest to confirm that it's not running. Now navigate back to the qTest 9.8 folder and run /install. Again, run systemctl status qTest and confirm that qTest is starting up. This concludes the qTest upgrade video.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.